economy high, rice high, beans high, tomato high. Eh? Even the black water will buy at the cheaper rate. I remember those days when they pour water inside nylon, they will call it ice water. We will drink it. Now nothing like that. Now they say it's pure water. Every time we will be having things to listen to. So this rope, allow me to tell you, I don't even know. I would have learned how to tie this rope before now. Huh? What rubbish?
Papa.
Yes.
What you want to do there?
Mmakwara, what does it look like I'm doing?
Papa, me no be wetin I dey think o.
What are you drinking?
The other day, you plan to buy yourself, Papa. Now that aboki boy, what save your life, Papa? Now you want try the same thing. You want try the same thing, but if you buy now, we deliver the responsibility for.
Mmakwara, if I buy now, automatically responsibility will be yours.
But they make me laugh sometimes. This the way don't talk now. Vex me, Papa. You go leave responsibility for me. House rent, you never pay. But food no go even chop this morning, no day. To talk about afternoon and evening old. No day, Papa. This thing, my school fees money, you never pay. Even though you pay now, the next time who go pay am? You want buy another try am.
Mmakwara, if I should buy now, all you are owing me is to give me a befitting burial.
Are you playing?
Papa, I wish you know my father. Papa, by now I for not slap you.
You dey use your function to play.
I dey tell you the truth, I for not slap you. Wait, he say I will give you befitting burial. Befitting burial, the only befitting burial I go give you. If you buy now, I go carry machete, butcher you part to part, like pieces you, pour you fuel. But you make sure you burn, ashes come out well. No try, never try am. Nonsense. See, I no go 1 year again. No, I no go tell you if I go sit down there now. I see you climb this chair. They won't try this thing, Papa. What I go to you? You no go believe some Mmakwara do you. What's try? But I no go 1 year again. I no go 1 year again. See, I don't want you there.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh, wow. You can walk up picture. You can walk up picture. Others have been doing this successfully. Why is my own always having issue? Huh?